Good morning. Ow. Good morning, everybody. Zami already went to the store. Gonna make some coffee. Morning coffee. I bought this yesterday. I want to finish this space. Read the manual. Read the manual. My sister gave me this cute mini fridge for beauty products. Yelah, takkan makanan kot kan. So small and cute. My plan is to put it here. So I need to clean this up. Okay, I'm starting to get hungry. I want to do some lunch. Lunch. This is fried tofu with sesame oil, some salad. My kitchen is very small. Ta-da! Second cup of coffee. Okay, and now I'm organizing the makeup that I didn't use. All done. Nanti my friends datang rumah, I ask them to ambil je lah. Look who kidnapped me! Me! Okay, kita orang baru je ingat nak pergi shop dekat DIY tapi we bought food. This girl, this beautiful always girl, hungry, you know. Mesmerizing. See what we bought. Roti. Shopee check. Okay, I ordered 2 pillows. It's called Hilton pillow. Sebab pillow kita orang macam lembek lah.
She calls me
good. Okay, dinner I'm gonna cook curry chicken.
Just leave me be, I'm not gonna put up a fight.
I'm gonna eat first sebab after 10 I dah tak boleh makan anything except water. Now my house smells like curry. I don't like this. How's your day, baby? I like that. Hello, Ma. Sadi. Gonna use new pillow tonight. This pillow, yeah. This is yours, Sunny. This is yours. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. Hope to see you guys when I have a new video. Bye. Good night. Say good night, Mama.
He never ends listening.